I'm going to show you how to turn. Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to turn these tomatoes. They are a bit on a sour side. Ketchup. That's for divine. Oh, this one here. And guys, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment on what you think about these tomato paste that I made at home using cherry tomatoes, our traditional one. Just how I press off the mixture, and then the other one go under. And this is the leftover that is left, is going to be thrown away, and this is the sauce now. So I'm going to measure a little bit of white vinegar and then oil. And then to balance out those tastes, I have to put in a bit of sugar. So this one, since it's a tomato paste, it will become very thick. If it was a tomato sauce, I will leave it here. So I'll put it again to the fire until the mixture becomes so nicely thick. Guys, it's almost at the end of the day, and I did tomato puree. Does it look like this? And then this, I put it. But then, if you did not watch my video on how to make jam, please just go to my channel, or I'll link it down below there. Then you can see how did I make jam using melon. So what I do now, I'm going to clean the edges, making sure I don't touch anything. So I'm just touching the edges first. This is the next day. I cover them with a cloth so that I'll see if they will give me better result. This is the end result for making tomato paste. This is after 2 weeks of making it, still looking good.